Hey there, it's Rob here from Funnels Qualified, and thank you for purchasing the 18/19 Clickfunnels affiliate bridge pages in the Funnel Rolodex. So just a very quick video just to show you guys how to add these. And by the way, for those that I'm sending this to that have already purchased this before today, I've just added, we've just added the one funnel away. Let me just add that to. Sorry, I'm just going to add that whilst we're here, add to the funnel. So yeah, I've just added an additional one funnel away, bonus page, bridge page. So very quickly, in fact, let's use the one funnel away one. All you need to do if you're promoting this, obviously you can add your own URL in domains. So I've selected my main domain here, funnelsqualified.com. I've created my bridge page. And all I need to do is a few very simple things. Open the editor. I've changed the name here, you can see that. I've gone into publishing. Don't really need to touch any of this, okay? The pop-up, this video is already triggered to open the pop-up. You can see that. If they click the button here to watch the video, it opens the pop-up. All you need to do is change the details here. So where do they need to email so you can send them the bonuses once they've sent you a receipt. You need to modify this. I've just set this at the moment to run for a certain promotion I'm doing, and then when I've finished, when that timer counts down, I'm then going to grab my affiliate URL, and this is the one funnel away challenge. Obviously I'm going to copy that. Oops, sorry. And I'm going to enter that here. That's so that when it redirects or after the promotion date, they go directly there, so you're not losing them. So again, change in here. No, that's all fine. You're allowed to use my bonuses. Obviously, the only bonus on this one you won't be able to use is complimentary call. So you can just go into the settings here and either hide that or just modify it and replace it with one of your own. Additional bonuses there on the bonus page. You can add more. I've got more than that on certain pages, so you can, if you want to add additional bonuses, let's say for instance this wasn't on another page, you can just save this section, call it 9 additional bonuses, and then save it, and then you can just dump that into another bonus page. Really simple. The only thing, you're going to obviously want to change your name here, change your image, change your name. There's nothing in there that needs changing, and again just change that bottom section there. And then when you go into general, you're going to replace your one funnel away affiliate URL there, and you're obviously going to integrate with a email list. So for me, I would obviously go to Actionetics. I would add them to a list. I don't think we've promoted the one funnel away challenge, so I don't have one, but you can see I've got all the different affiliate promotions we do, so we'd add it just to one of those, okay? And that would mean then that they'd get a little welcome email, and then we'd give them 4 or 5 email prompts to make sure they purchase the one funnel away challenge, talking about the bonuses. And we may, as the if the promotion had, let's say 30 days and we were doing a 30-day countdown, we may then once every 4 or 5 days add an additional bonus down here and add that in the email, just to keep enticing them to come back and make sure that they purchase one funnel away challenge. So I hope that makes sense. Any questions on any of the Clickfunnels affiliate bridge pages, please email me at support@funnelsqualified.co.uk. Be happy to help. My team are always here to try and support you and make sure that you're making money, but those are the real key important things. All right. And in fact, before I leave, just quickly save that. Just remembered, sometimes I do get asked where the bonus, how the bonus is delivered. So you can see here we've got a bonus delivery page, and the same thing. Play around with this, add more bonuses to it. This is what you would email them once they've emailed you their receipt to prove that they've purchased. So you can see here, if they click on this, it's going to connect to our Dropbox. It's going to give them these downloads. You don't need to do anything with this. Obviously you need to modify this if you are supplying services, and you can change this out here. change these for your affiliate link. That's the 108 proven split test winners. And again, change .com secrets, perfect webinar, expert secrets. And always just double check that we might have done it slightly differently in the mobile version. So go in there and check that, you know, we haven't done mobile only and desktop only. But that's pretty much as simple as it is. You know, these bridge pages are done, ready for you. It's going to take you 5 minutes per page. And as I say, spend a month promoting that page. What we do is we start with the .com secrets book, and then in our Actionetics campaigns, they go from that email campaign and it takes them automatically through to funnel scripts. Then they, at the end of that campaign, it automatically adds them to, so you can see once someone opts in right at the beginning, they then get put through about 10, 12, 14 different campaigns, pushing them towards different products with all the different emails added in there. But that's a bit more advanced. But any questions, just drop us an email and we'd be happy to help.